Good morning, class fifth. We are starting our new chapter in grammar. That is chapter number. Tell me, what is the chapter number? 11. What is the name of the chapter? The chapter's name is Reflexive Pronoun and Emphatic Pronoun. Clear? Now, you tell me what is a pronoun. How many of you know? Please raise your hands. What is a pronoun? Please raise your hands. Avik. Very good. So now, if I say noun are the naming words, right? The name of any person, place, animal, or thing is called a noun. Faz, please sit properly. Now the sentence. Faz, please sit properly. What is the noun in the sentence? Faz. Why Faz? Because it is the name of a person, right? Similarly, if I say that I went to a garden, what is the noun in the sentence? Garden. Why? Name of a place. So similarly, if I replace noun with another word, then it is called pronoun. For example, I am saying Faz is a good boy. Faz is sitting. Right? What are my sentences? Correct? Now in the first sentence, the noun is Faz, as well as in the second sentence, the noun is Faz. Can I replace this with any word? He, right? So what is he? A pronoun. Means the words that can replace the noun are known as pronouns. ठीक है? तो इस चैप्टर में हम क्या डिस्कस करेंगे बेटा? We will discuss two types of pronouns, reflexive and emphatic. What are the names? Now reflexive. Reflexive किससे मिलता जुलता वर्ड है? रिफ्लेक्स और थोड़ा सोचो. रिफ्लेक्सिव के जैसा और क्या वर्ड आपने सुना है? हाँ, रिफ्लेक्शन राइट. रिफ्लेक्शन का क्या मीन्स होता है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन? अच्छा, फॉर योर ईज आई विल टेल अ सेंटेंस. ओके, आई सॉ माय रिफ्लेक्शन इन द वाटर. परछाई. और वी कैन से, अगर हम मिरर में देखते हैं, इन मिरर वी सी अ रिफ्लेक्शन, शैडो और समथिंग दैट इज सिमिलर टू अस. रिफ्लेक्शन का यही मीनिंग होता है, राइट? तो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन कौन से होते हैं बेटा? द प्रोनाउंस विच वी यूज फॉर आवरसेल्फ. जैसे आई, माई सेल्फ, ही, हिमसेल्फ, शी, हरसेल्फ, दे, themselves, we, ourselves, you, yourselves. तो ये माई सेल्फ, आर सेल्फ, हिम सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ, ये सब क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. या अच्छा, लेट्स मूव अहेड. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repeating the same noun again and again. Like I saw Ram, Ram was going home. We can say I saw Ram, he was going home. ठीक है, ये तो हमें ऑलरेडी पता है. वी आर ऑलरेडी फैमिलियर विथ व्हाट इज नाउन, व्हाट इज प्रोनाउन. Here he is a pronoun used in the place of the noun Ram. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पर मैं बोलूं राम के बजाय there was, what we will use? She. Why? It is a girl's name. So for male we use he, for females we use she. And if there were more than one person, they. And if I was talking about me, then I was going home, right? ओके, नाउ पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस. ठीक है, रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस स्टार्ट करने से पहले वी विल रीड अबाउट पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस एंड आई डोंट वांट टू बी रिपीटेड, बट प्लीज सिट प्रॉपर्ली everyone from the first bench till the last bench. I am not telling you to write anything, kindly don't. ठीक है, पर्सनल प्रोनाउन, पर्सनल मीन्स जो हम अपने लिए या फिर किसी और के लिए यूज करें. ठीक है, देयर आर 3 पर्सन्स, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट पर्सन इज द स्पीकर, जो बोल रहा है. अब नाउ आई एम स्पीकिंग, व्हाट आर द प्रोनाउंस आई विल यूज फॉर माई सेल्फ? आई, ठीक है, तो ये सारे प्रोनाउंस ऐसे हैं जो मैं अपने लिए या हमारे लिए यूज कर सकती हूँ. तो ये सारे प्रोनाउंस स्पीकर के लिए यूज हो रहे हैं, तो दीज आर फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउंस. second person is the listener. You all are the listeners, so what will I use? Right, so this is the second person pronouns. third person, अगर मैं किसी और के बारे में बात करूं, ठीक है, someone who is not here, for example Siddharth. So Siddharth is absent. Prince has left the school. Prince was a good boy. ठीक है, Prince has left the school. Prince was a good boy. तो यहाँ पर मैं Prince के बजाय क्या यूज करूंगी? He was a good boy. So he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their और it. ये सारे कौन से प्रोनाउंस हो गए? थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउंस. Okay. Now before moving ahead, let me repeat and check if you all have understood or not. Let's start from Ashish. Tell me any one example of second person pronoun. Karthik. You. Very good. Sit down. Jay. Give me an example of third person pronoun. Third person pronoun. It. Very good. Pez. First person pronoun. Very good. Sit down. Means first person is used for the speaker, the one who is speaking, and second person is used for listener, and third person is used for the person or the things that we are speaking about. Devyan, stand up. Repeat. First person is for which person? I and we, that are the pronouns, that is correct. किसके लिए यूज होता है first person pronoun? The one who is speaking means speaker. Second, listener. Third, about something or someone we are talking about. Sit down. Piyu, जल्दी से मुझे थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन के एग्जांपल्स बताओ बेटा. थर्ड पर्सन, हाँ बोलो. इट और एक और बता दो. देम. वेरी गुड. सिट डाउन. ओके, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हिच प्रोनाउंस? Reflexive pronouns. I did not hear you all. Reflexive pronouns. So pronouns formed by adding self or selves to personal pronouns are called reflexive pronouns. Like I, we, you, he, she, they, and it itself. Okay, now we will see some examples using these pronouns. What are the names of these pronouns? Reflexive pronouns. First, I am looking at myself. मैं खुद को देख रही हूँ. Right, in the mirror, in the camera, we can see, we have many technologies. We will help ourselves. हम खुद की मदद कर लेंगे. You are enjoying yourself. Please do it yourself. They had a nice car. They drove it themselves. Mary dressed herself carefully. The boys hurt themselves getting on the bus. ठीक है. इफ आई से दैट द फर्स्ट वन इज माई सेल्फ, तो माई किससे बना है? माई सेल्फ, माई मीन्स आई, आर सेल्फ आर, एंड वी, right? We are ourselves. Yourself? Same. Them and they. Very good. Herself? Sorry. Her and she. Very good. Themselves is the same. Okay. Objective pronoun versus reflexive pronoun. Objective pronouns कौन से होते हैं? Me, his, her, my. Reflexive pronoun herself, myself, himself, themself. जैसे you never talk to her, right? You never talk to her. तो ये सेंटेंस का मीनिंग क्या है हिंदी में, कौन बताएगा? इन हिंदी दिस इज इजी, यू ऑल कैन टेल. यू नेवर टॉक टू हर, हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? यू नेवर टॉक टू हर. यस बेटा. तुम उससे कभी बात नहीं करते, है ना? सिट डाउन. सो तुम और उससे, दे आर बोथ टू डिफरेंट पीपल. सिमिलरली I did not pay for them. In Hindi, Harsh. मैंने उनके पैसे नहीं दिए, पे नहीं करे, राइट? सिट डाउन. तो मैंने और उनके, these are two different people. Did she hurt you? In Hindi, प्रज्ञा, did she hurt you? क्या उसने तुम्हें हर्ट किया? सिट डाउन. ठीक है. तो उसने और तुम्हें, these are two different people. But when we talk about reflexive pronoun, we are talking about the same person. जैसे one day I talked to myself. एक दिन मैंने खुद से बात करी. So I and myself both are the same person. They paid for themselves. उन्होंने अपने पैसे खुद भरे. उन्होंने उनके, then it is the same person. Don't hurt yourself. खुद को चोट मत पहुंचाना. खुद को and मत पहुंचाना. This is the same person, right? खुद के लिए बोल रहे हैं. In reflexive pronouns, the action doesn't go from one person to another. It comes back to the same person. I have done this work myself. तो ये action क्या हो रहा है इसमें? What is the action in the sentence? I have done this work myself. Done. Work is happening, right? Completion of the work. तो वो impact भी किस पे आ रहा है? Myself. तो जब action और उसका impact दोनों same object पर आए, same person पर आए, then it is a reflective pronoun. ठीक है. अब next type is, what is the next type? Which kind of pronoun? Emphatic pronoun. What is the name? Louder. Devyan, what is the name? Emphatic pronoun. Have a seat. अच्छा, अब reflexive pronoun का ही नाम हम emphatic pronoun रख देते हैं. लेकिन कब रखते हैं? he के just बाद अगर reflexive pronoun आ गया, he, himself, तो हम इसे emphatic pronoun बोलते हैं. She, herself, emphatic pronoun. I, myself, emphatic pronoun. We, ourselves, emphatic pronoun. Means अगर personal pronouns के या personal nouns के just बाद reflexive आ रहे हैं, तो उनका नाम change होकर क्या हो जाता है? Emphatic pronouns. Emphatic का मतलब क्या है? Emphatic किससे similar word है? जैसे reflexive is reflection. No, that is rhyming. I am asking similar. Emphatic is similar to emphasis. किसी बात पे emphasis करना हो, emphasis करना हो मतलब focus करना हो, attention देना हो, then it is called emphatic pronoun. Like he hurt himself. तो अब he और himself क्या ये बिल्कुल आसपास है? नहीं. तब ये कौन सा प्रोनाउन कहलाएगा? He himself wrote it. Emphatic. Anil washed himself. Reflexive. Anil himself did it. Emphatic. Clear? अगर पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस के जस्ट बाद रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन आते हैं तो उनका नाम क्या हो जाता है? Only I am only teaching one student, that is Divyanshu, है ना? Everyone else is sleeping in my class? No? अच्छा, key differences to remember. Key reflexive pronoun कब आता है? After the verb. Like I completed my work myself. Verb आ गया बीच में, completed. Then it is a reflexive pronoun. And emphatic pronoun कब आता है? Just after the subject or just after the noun or just after the pronoun. For example, she is a pronoun. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. पर she के just बाद reflexive आ गया, तब हम इसे कंसीडर करेंगे emphatic. सिर्फ इतना ही डिफरेंस है दोनों में, ठीक है? नाउ सी द एक्सरसाइजेस, दिस आर गिवन इन योर बुक एज वेल, ठीक है? तो बुक में भी साथ साथ कंप्लीट कर लेना. Sunil heard, tell me the first answer. Sunil heard himself when he fell. Second, father cut himself when he was shaving. Now we will ask one by one because otherwise they will answer all the questions. I have other students as well, है ना? आरव, थर्ड वाला बताइए बेटा. रानी saw dash in the mirror. Himself. Rani is a boy. Herself. Sit down. ठीक है? Rani saw herself in the mirror. Next, Pehel. We saw Pehel. We do not have whole day. We का रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? देवयान, टेल मी. Divyanshu, tell me what is the answer. We saw ourselves in the mirror. Very good. Sit down. Yes, Nitish. I taught Dash to play the guitar. I का रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन क्या होगा? प्रज्ञा, myself. Very good. Sit down. Yes, Yashasvi. The poor woman threw herself under the tree. Woman है ना? बैठ जाओ बेटा. Vrinda, the boys held boys, not boy. Wait. Themselves. Very good, sir. Alkendra, there are plenty of cakes here. Savita, help yourself. Pew, what is the answer? Yes, Vivian. Herself. Sit down. Pew, ये वाला बताओ बेटा. I saw the accident. Myself. Very good. My brother sewed the dress. जो खड़े हैं उनमें से किसी को आता है आंसर? Himself. Sit down. Yes, from last this row. Pez. The barber shaved dash very much. Is this answer correct? Is this sentence same in your book? No, very much. So what is there? Nothing. Okay. Yes, the barber shaved himself. Yes. Soumya, they enjoyed themselves. Sit down. Jay, Aman blamed himself for the mistake. The king cursed. Karthik, sit down. J. The king cursed. Search for answer. Himself, yes. Avik, Sanjeev shed dash in a cage. Sanjeev is one person. Sanjeev is a boy. Himself, yes. Ashish, we please dash with this behavior. Ourselves, better. Harsh, you dash can do it. You yourself can do it. Sit down. She did the job herself. Very good. Priyal, sit down. Okay, there are two remaining. That's you will do yourself and then complete your exercise also. You will do yourself. Don't tell me the answers. And no problem. Complete what which ones is in your book. Okay, and that is all for today. Thank you, students.